So, many questions on the baby Brezza that has problems if you just press start and it just keeps beeping and not dispensing anything out. I fixed it. I think this will help everybody. If you just take the top off of this, and then there's this little white thing that usually sits up here, right? The problem is that a lot of times it's not hitting that sensor down there. So I kind of jabbed it down there and then press start and it will dispense, even though there's nothing there. But so if you fix this to get it set so it will get that sensor, if you let me get mine fixed here, sorry. Mine doesn't seem to work properly, but if you get it set right, you can put a bottle and then it will start. So hopefully that works for everybody. It's just getting that white piece to touch inside there will get this to start working. Hopefully that works. I did a little searching on YouTube myself, and I kind of just stumbled upon fixing it that way. Hope everybody has, if they had the same issue, hopefully this fixes everybody. So have fun.